how to transfer funds from Zelle to Chime. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer funds from Zelle to Chime. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the mobile app for your bank because Zelle is built into that. So in my case, it is Commonwealth Credit Union, and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. After that, you have to tap on this option and then tap on send money with Zelle. Then select the account and email from which you want to send and tap on continue. Then it will ask you to verify yourself by sending a verification code, so put in it. After that, you have to tap on send. Then just add your Chime account info or credentials over and tap on done. After that, just enter the amount that you want to send and tap on review. And your funds will be transferred from Zelle to Chime. So that's how you can transfer funds from Zelle to Chime. That's all for this video.